Dear students, day before yesterday I told you about the application softwares. These are categorized in the three categories. First one was general purpose application softwares, then specific purpose application softwares. Now third one is customized software designed for the particular organization or the user. Some of the customized software are commercial websites, business databases, softwares for the private firms. Next one is mobile applications. The word app is abbreviated for the application. An app enables you to do something specific. The word app is mostly used to refer to the software that runs on the mobile phones. Apps are designed to work on the different operating systems. An Android app is developed to work on the phones and the tablets which run on the Android operating system, whereas iPhone apps can be used on the iPhone which are using the iOS. Types of apps. Apps can be broadly classified into the desktop apps, web apps, or the mobile apps. Desktop apps. These apps can be used on the desktop or the laptop. Web apps. These apps require an the internet connection. These are usually browser based and the stored on the remote server. Third one, mobile apps. These apps run on the smartphone or the tablet. These apps are usually smaller in the size. Mobile apps can be further classified as the native apps or the hybrid apps. Native apps that are developed